My father used to say, every house has its own flood. And I never truly understood until the knocking on our door began. Past 11 at night or later, carrying the smell of smoke and petty little excuses that withered long before dawn. I remember Noah's tale in the kitchen, the water rising to the chest, rising to the sky, until prayers no longer shaped into words. And the sun stood so far away on a hill he thought was high enough. I will find my own refuge, he said. And God never said your father failed. No, the sky just kept on raining. Your mother locks the bedroom door like Miriam guarding her silence, so anger won't turn into shears. Jacob lost Joseph to the lies brought by his own blood. Fake blood, fake clothes, fake tears, and yet he was still called a prophet. So tell me, all night, how many times must a father call out his child's name before the sky finally whispers, enough, enough, enough. I am no Noah, I am no Jacob, just a father turning off the hallway light, pretending to be asleep when his daughter walks through the door with eyes still wandering the streets. God, if this is a trial, why does it sound like a closing door every single midnight? And if this is a punishment, whose sin is actually drowning first?